guys, so I have an update on my house right here, and basically this house is not going too well. My mom has not been paying the bills and everything like that. She doesn't know what to do. We have two options for us to be still living in this house, and the only reason why I'm telling you this because like my mom feels like me and my mom feels like we're getting evicted from this place, and I'm also this is probably gonna be the last time I'm also gonna see this unit. I remember when it was just brand new back in 2017. It's got a new rattle in it. It actually sounds nice at the same time with that rattle, but like I don't think the rattle's just too good for the sound. Rheem is doing good. That's super cold. That's pretty warm actually. Emerson dryer. This is super quiet, and the clothes are starting to get dirty right there. But yeah, guys, this is just something I want to tell you. If we're actually gonna be moving out of this house, then we're gonna be staying where guys, my two favorite units, the two 2006 Rheems, a 3.5 ton and a 3 ton at my brother's house. Basically, I'm probably gonna be moving there or until further notice. So like, yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give us support about still living in this house. We got a bunch of problems we have to deal with.